Hey guys, welcome back to Bearded Lumber. As always, Matthew and I greatly appreciate you tuning in. Tonight's video is going to be short because we have our live stream at 8 o'clock with Two Brothers Outdoors. Got a lot I want to cover real quick, so come right back and we'll get into it. Okay guys, welcome back. As always, we appreciate you watching. Like I say, this video is going to be real short because we have our live stream tonight at 8 o'clock Eastern time. Our special guest is Jack Beckman, Southern Sales Manager, I believe. Maybe his wrong title, but Southern Sales Manager for Mizer. So we got lots of questions to cover with him. So please tune in. You can ask me questions, you can ask Beckman questions, you can ask any of the panelists questions. We'll do our best to answer them. So, in this video, just trying to do like a monthly update where we're at business-wise. If Matthew will pan over here, we have a mountain of finished lumber ready to go. We just about finished with the timber frame job. I was short some 14, 18-foot logs, and I think we've got most of those in, so for the next couple weeks we'll saw those and try to get that moved out of here. We've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 customer jobs, got them sitting scattered around waiting to pick up. We're working on a poplar job for a contractor. We're sawing, we're going to tongue groove, V-groove, and then I had one of my suppliers bring in a load of pine logs. Matthew just got unloaded. We've got a whole mountain of white pine we need to cut for inventory. Got another couple loads of forest pine that's going to be a timber frame for a customer. We've got some white oak we got to get sawed. We're blessed with work to do. Overjoyed, can't say enough. Our dump truck, quick update on it. Got it back from the transmission shop, and it wasn't a thing wrong with it but a dumb owner. Dropped it off. He sent his guys out there to check it. He called me back. He said, there ain't nothing wrong with it. I said, well, it didn't do good. He said, it does good now. We put 5.5 quarts of fluid in it. And I thought, oh, crap. I thought Matthew checked it, and he thought I had checked it. But needless to say, neither one of us checked it. So while he had it, I told him just drain them 5.5 quarts plus the rest of it back out of it. Go ahead and do a filter change and check it, and he did. He said it looked perfect. So, you know, we can't all be smart every day. So, cost me 5 quarts of fluid, but I got it serviced anyway while I was there. So, drove it today. I got it. Matthew will show you. It's loaded up with scrap. I went to our local scrapyard this morning, and that's what I get for not calling. They're closed on Wednesdays, so had a nice 20-minute ride down there and got some fuel, had a 20-minute ride back. So we'll try it again tomorrow. But it runs great now. Talked to my mechanic. Might have a video on that. The glow plugs are not acting right, so probably going to end up putting a set of glow plugs in it. It's not the end of the world, not unexpected. It's just part of it. But as far as running and driving, air ride, everything, works great. We still got some tinkering to do. Kind of waiting on warm weather. My mechanicing with cold hands and brittle fingers in the wintertime is limited, and we don't have a heated space big enough to get that truck in. So we'll do what we got to do, but probably springtime. I still want to get it painted. I got a guy lined up to do it, but we're going to put some fenders on it and probably a door and then have it painted. But we'll get to that. Right now we got work to do. I got customers lined up. It's a good thing. Got a video coming on maybe on some walnut hardwood flooring. That's an unusual one. Had a customer bring by a couple samples today that somebody else sawed, somebody else dried, but we're going to edge them, S4S them, and make tongue and groove flooring out of it. And that's something you just don't see much of anymore. Walnut hardwood flooring. That'd be one for the books. Kiln's running great. I've got a load of hardwood. It's been in there 30 days today, and it's still got a week or so left on it. It's a lot of thick stuff, and it's just slow going. You can't. It takes what it takes. That's why they charge more for hardwoods, and I may have to start charging more than I do because the time suck. It takes so long to do it. The time that's been in there, I could have run 3 batches of pine and made a third more money already. So it's probably going to have to happen. Probably first of the year, I'm going to change the rates on drying hardwoods just because it takes so long. Anything else, Matthew? We're overjoyed, blessed. Caitlin's doing good. Expecting baby, what, April? Yeah. April. Everybody's been healthy here lately. That's a good thing. Everybody went through Thanksgiving. You know, we had a bout with the stomach flu a while back, and I hope that's the only one we see all winter. But I think that's it, guys. If you got any questions about what we do around here, maybe you don't see, drop in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer them. If not, I hope you tune in at 8 o'clock. We're a live stream. There'll be a link here on our YouTube channel, or you can go to Two Brothers Outdoors or whatever. But hope to see you there. Let's see, this is on the 20th, so I hope you're ready for Christmas. It's just right around the corner. Even if you're not, take time to spend with your family. You won't regret it. You never know what tomorrow holds, so enjoy the day. As always, we appreciate you watching. We'll see you back at the mill.
Thank you for watching. Here's a video selection and a playlist suggestion. Click here to subscribe for more great content. We'll see you at the mill.